Dear friends, had you followed me through the arcade, you would have walked through and under a building, a half-timbered, Gothic half-timbered house from the year 1500. Gothic is horizontal lines of color and triangular supports that you see on the house. And you're looking at 1500. This one always blows the Americans' minds because this building was standing here 8 years after Columbus discovered America. They were all living in teepees over there in the old days, yeah? And we've got the houses. Now that's old, but that's not really old. Really old are things like the church. And this is where the story begins. The people of Hameln are gathered in the market church on the 26th of June in 1284. You're right, that's tomorrow, the 26th of June. It will be 735 years ago exactly that a colorful man came to Hameln. With a flute in his hand, he went around the church and through the town, and he left going east with 130 young people. This part of the story is true. The business with the rats is a fairy tale. It's also true the church looked differently back then. The trained eye of the detective has already noticed that it used to be built like a big cross. The corners were added later, and you can see it quite readily on this piece over here with the old original stonework that's been standing here since the time of the piper, and it's still standing today. As they were building onto the church in all four directions, and after 1300, they put in a piper glass window. We have a date, we have a time, we have a place where it happened, and like any good detective story, we have witnesses. Eyewitnesses, like our Latin school teacher Samuel Erich, who told us precisely where the glass window was. He said it was where that is around the corner. We're going around the corner. Come this way. Look, they're planting rats in pots.